Hello and welcome to the Propel Financial Advisors Money Move of the Month for July 2025. This month we are turning up the heat on your cash.
Yes, we find a lot of people will let cash savings build up in just a regular savings account connected to their checking account, which is fine. But those savings accounts tend to have not the greatest interest rates. And then when we ask people what interest rate are you getting, they tend to not even know the answer. So the money move of the month is just go in, check what your interest rate is. Is it a number? And then once you find out that number, decide, is that a number that you're happy with? Or do you think it's worth researching whether or not it's worth it to open a high yield savings account? High yield savings accounts tend to pay much better than a traditional savings account you can get at a bank. And then I'll just add on one little extra thing. On the high yield savings account, we like to go with banks that are well established. FDIC insurance is there for you, but it's always good to go with a well established bank. You can go to various websites to find the highest rates, but keep in mind those rates go up and down and change over time.
Yep, that's the move for this month. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you in August for the next Money Move.